Jesus loves me. You rockin', dude. Absolutely rockin'. Very great job.
I don't think anyone needs to try to be like anybody else. If you're trying to be somebody else, that's gonna come across and people are gonna feel that like, oh, like the fakeness. But when you are being undeniably you and you are passionate about what you're doing, people feel that. It hits different. This is it. This is the new direction. Hello, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Okay, I'm being kind of quiet because I have neighbors outside, and we're outside again. Anyways, so we are getting ready for a yard sale, garage sale, yard sale. It was like half and half, but this is our first one. So we're just gonna kind of go through here and kind of just show you guys how we have it set up, like nothing crazy. Just kind of showing you guys what we've been up to, everything like that, letting you know we're still here. I have some fun videos planned actually, a couple things coming. One thing that's kind of wild, change up my look a little bit, change up my hair. It's the same but different, okay? Just go with it. I have no idea what I'm getting myself into, but that's gonna be in a couple weeks. Anyways, so stay tuned for that video. But today's video is going to be about our garage sale / yard sale. So I will say we're doing it during like a community-wide one. Like our town like has it every like first or second weekend in June, and this is our first year participating in it, so let's just see how this goes.
Okay, getting the table set up here and everything else in this garage. I'm not sure how we're gonna lay this out. That's the hardest part. It's the layout.
I need a nap.
Need a nap. This is stressful trying to figure out how do you lay out a store overnight. I don't know, but we're trying here. It's gonna be fun. We got the boy out there yelling too. And getting this ladder set up with this steel rod to make for hanging clothes. I like it. It's like having your own dresser suite, whatever it is, not a dresser, closet. It's like your own closet. That's what it is.
Walk-in closet or what?
Yeah, walk-in, drive-in closet. How many people have a drive-in closet? You can drive your car in and see your clothes hanging up on the rack. That'll work. And some more odds and ends over here. Truck mirrors. Who wants a truck mirror? We need them. Hey, back on duty, guys.
Gabby, get over.
And look at the funky labels. Those are cool. So fun. Look at all those. Really make you jump out. What do you think we're gonna make? How many dollars do you think we'll make on the sale? How many?
14 minutes.
$14? Okay, let's see, guys. What do you guys think? Take this time to pause the video, put down in the comments, how much money do you think we'll make? I think 170. That's my guess. We'll see. I don't know. But keep watching and we'll find out at the end. On a side note, look at this. My watch actually separated. The face came off the rim. I don't know what happened. So I super glued it. Yeah, look at how classy that looks. Yes. It'll be just fine, maybe. Alright, just had to pick up some cashola for the yard sale. Look at that. Only one of them's 100 though, but it looks like we got a lot of money. But we got to get a bunch of 1s and 5s and 10s and stuff like that. Make sure we got plenty on hand for the sale. How much we gonna make? I don't know.
The next day.
And welcome back, guys. It is the next day. I am just on my way home from work right now, actually. Tori got started this morning. Her and Asher did on the sale. I bet we spent, several hours over the last several days getting stuff prepped and ready for this. You got to find everything. You got to get everything out in the garage. You got to get tables set up, borrow from friends and family, and make sure you got a good display going on. And we're not experts by any means. We didn't look any of this stuff up or anything. I know my dad's big into yard sailing, so I grew up kind of around it and stuff. And it's always fun, you never know what you're going to find. I'm sure you guys have been before. If you have, what do you look for? What's your best find? Or if you guys have had yard sales, what are your special tricks and tips as far as selling goes? I don't know if we're going to do another one or not. Probably. It depends on how this goes, but I'm excited to check in and see how everything's going. Either way, even if we don't make a cent on the sale, at least we're forcing ourselves to clean house and get rid of all the excess stuff you haven't touched in 6 years, and everything else can just go to the curb when we're done. So anyways, let's check in with these guys and see how they're doing. That is way cool. You just come up here and get lemonade? Which kinds do you have?
You just need to tip this now and do this.
Gotta tip that one. That one's
what kind
emptied
is
out.
this?
There ain't much left already. It's only been a couple hours. What do we got going on here? This is the guy that's supposed to be manning his station.
We're kicking him out. He's a troublemaker. We're kicking him out.
That's right. I keep trying to get clips in, but people just keep coming and going.
It's been busy. We're getting picked over now.
You think, what, 100 people been here?
Yeah?
At least. I mean, it's steady. It's like every 3 minutes somebody shows up.
Yeah.
Crazy, but this stuff is going. What are you selling here? A chair, a car seat. You're gonna get stuck in there and then you ain't gonna be able to get out. Look at that, $2 per item for the makeup stuff. That box like emptied out. People want that stuff. This is going too good. Asher, catch back up. Got selling to do.
Woo! Caffeine.
Need it.
It's either a nap or caffeine.
Right.
Caffeine.
It's the right choice. I mean, we are like 5 hours into the sale and people are still showing up. I can't believe it. And Tori's dresses and all her clothes are actually selling. I didn't think they would, but they ate this makeup stuff up and everything. There ain't much left to go through. Let's see how we finish out though. Game over.
We close.
Close it down. Now we got to see how much you made and how much stuff do you think sold? 40% of it? 30? 80?
Yeah, at least 40.
Yeah, that's pretty darn good. Well, let's get in there.
Take it.
Asher's excited to see what he got too. He's sold out. Oh, look at that glutton for punishment, drinking right out of the bottle.
This is the last bag of cookies. He sold all the cookies too.
Holy
last
cow.
bag of cookies.
We got an entrepreneur.
Good job. High five.
Great job. Go fam. Boom. This is your monies? Whoa. Look at them bills. Look at them coins.
Okay, ready? You want to count? 3 5, so that's 5, 10, 15. Okay.
Yeah, 6 stacks or so.
So we got 15 here. Now we got to count the ones. Okay, you count them as I put them down, okay? Look, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 plus 16 is 31. So 46.55.
Holy cow. At a quarter a pop? That's like 300 lemonades or more.
He got some big tips.
Big tipper.
Big tippers.
I love it. Now Mama's rolling it in big dough. Started with 2 20s and now we got a milli of them.
1, 2, 3. So there's what we started with in the drawer, which not these bills, but $300.
Okay, so you just put that aside and count all this. This is the profit stack right here. I guessed 175. Did you have any guesses?
I was estimating around like 200 maybe.
200? What was the total?
422.
422, jeez, that's insane. And on top of his, 46.55 plus, what'd you say? 422. $468.55. That's a good day. We gotta do this more often.
Okay, you guys, so there you have it. It was actually pretty successful. Joe way underestimated it. He's like, I was thinking like not even like 175, I don't know, whatever he said. I was like, yeah, you underestimate the community-wide garage sales. Like if it was a regular garage sale, like not anyone knew about, things like that, yeah, I could see that. I could see what his guess was. But with the community-wide ones, I knew it was going to be like really busy in town. We were having people come in and out all day. So now we are exhausted. I'm tired. I need to go to bed. I got about 6 hours of sleep. That's more than I normally get when I'm running on fumes, but you know, went to bed at midnight, got up at 6 a.m. and then, you know, just started setting stuff out, putting the sign out, everything like that. So pretty much from the minute we put the sign out, people were like driving by, like scoping things out and figuring it out. So it was really fun though. We had our music going, we were just chilling, like it was pretty laid back, pretty chill. I didn't even get price stickers on everything, and so people were like, how much is this? I'm like, make an offer. But anyways, you guys, hopefully it was just fun to watch, whatever, catch up on what we're doing. Let me know if you got any good yard sale, garage sale tips that you've learned, because I definitely want to kind of keep that going. I kind of, like, today gave me a little bit of inspiration to do something, so we'll see where that takes me. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Because I used to redo a lot of furniture and stuff, but I haven't really been getting furniture because we have nowhere to store it. But now we emptied out a lot of our storage room, so, you know, let's just fill it back up. Anyways, you guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and stay tuned for the next video.